So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about Retirable, which is our video sponsor and an awesome new company that is helping you retire. So you can sign up for Retirable with the link in the description and get a free consultation. They help make the retirement process super easy, and they actually pair you up with a retirement expert to walk you through the whole process. So now retiring is way easier than ever before. So use the link below and get a free consultation. And now let's get started with the video. Okay, we're moving on. Do Uber and Lyft drivers need rideshare insurance? You wanna read this one?
Yeah. Rideshare insurance fills the coverage gap between your personal auto insurance and the commercial auto insurance provided by your rideshare employer.
So as an Uber Lyft driver, do you need rideshare insurance? What is rideshare insurance?
Yeah, rideshare insurance is a specific type of commercial auto insurance policy designed for people who drive for rideshare or food delivery services such as Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Postmates. So the coverage may not be required by law, is different than standard commercial coverage, fills a gap in standard coverage, and addresses specific coverage needs for rideshare drivers.
Let's look at Buckle Up. So Buckle Up, guys, is an insurance company that is for rideshare and delivery drivers. Which, by the way, when you use our link below, they're going to send you $20 for getting a free quote. You might as well do it just to see just to see how much it costs. I mean, it could be cheaper than your normal insurance. And you can actually, this could replace your old insurance. They don't even do credit checks. So I want to see, because let's look at what is covered. So if you're a gig driver, according to Buckle, which is literally a car insurance company, they're saying you need rideshare insurance. As a driver for a TNC, you have unique ride-sharing insurance requirements, and you must maintain your own auto insurance. So, yeah, you can save up to $200 a month with us. Interesting. So you could potentially save up to $200 a month.
Yeah, and there was a story of this girl who was doing delivery driving, and her car got stolen while she was on the job. And her insurance, she had a personal auto insurance plan, not a rideshare insurance policy. And her insurance company couldn't help her at all.
Oh, wow.
Anything for her. And she had to start a GoFundMe to get money for a new car. Yeah, so that's why you need a coverage for while you're on the job.
For sure. Where did you hear about that?
On the news.
Yeah, the thing is, guys, when you have your normal insurance company, they don't want you driving rideshare, because they know rideshare drivers drive way more. And when you sign up for your normal car insurance, you remember when they ask you, oh, how many miles are you driving per year? And you're like, oh yeah, 10,000 miles, whatever. Well, when all of a sudden now you're driving for Uber, you're putting on 50,000 miles a year on your car. Your normal insurance company, they didn't quote you for 50,000 a year. You driving for Uber, you driving for DoorDash, Instacart, X, Y, and Z. They are only, covering you as if you're a normal personal driver. So yeah, now all of a sudden you get into an accident, they find out you're driving for Uber and Lyft, driving 80,000 miles a year in your car. They're like, ha, yeah, you've been lying to us. We're not covering you. And you could be stuck, with having to go make a freaking GoFundMe to get a new car. When this whole time, you literally could have just signed up for Buckle.
Yeah.
So it could save you a headache. And again, literally legit on their website, Micaiah from Atlanta is saving $300 a month because she signed up for Buckle. So you could literally save money. So anyways, we'll have a link below to sign up for Buckle. At least get a free quote and get they're literally sending you $20 because they're a newer company. They're trying to, get all the Uber and Lyft drivers over. So yeah, you don't even have to sign. You don't even have to commit. You can literally just get your $20 free quote. And who knows, maybe you'll even save $100 a month. I mean, that's pretty legit to me. Put that on your to-do list, guys. Sign up for the Rideshare Hub's link for Buckle Up.
And again, big shout out to Retirable. Thank you so much for giving my audience, you guys, a really easy way to retire, simple and easy, and you can get a free consultation with a retirement expert with Retirable. So use my link below to sign up for Retirable. God bless. Talk to you soon.